Well, that semi is about to get hit by a train. And train ain't gonna stop.
Oh, you videoing this?
I got this.
Are you videoing this?
Oh god. There goes the train.
Oh, damn!
Oh god.
Oh!
That was not good. Hopefully nobody was in the semi. Yeah, he got stuck.
Oh, damn!
Let me go see if everybody's okay. Dang, everybody's stopping. No, everybody's stopping. Whoa, oh, there's watermelon juice everywhere. Oh my god.
Holy shit.
Oh my god. Holy crap. Oh, holy crap. Is this real? Oh my god. Where's the truck? Oh, there's the truck. I don't know if you see the truck.
Oh.
God,
damn.
we're gonna have to show Chip and
Oh, damn!
all the pallets and everything. Oh my, these are good watermelons.
They were good watermelons.
Oh my god. That's not good. Oh, dang, this is mess. Oh my god.
The thing, it's off the ground.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Insane.
That was cool. That wasn't good for us. But
damn! I was right here!